Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable TalkBack function. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to accessibility, or simply type TalkBack in search. Enter it, and now switch this button to activate TalkBack. After switching this button, you will start tutorial how to use TalkBack.
Welcome to Talk. Close to Talk. Finished reviewing. Finished. And double tap. TalkBack.
To disable
Back
TalkBack,
button.
tap and hold on the switch
Switch.
and tap it twice.
On. Turn off. TalkBack.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.